On this day in D.C., we celebrate the birth of a nation's journey, a fight for what we're worth. Emancipation Day, a scene of hope and pride in the city where dreams and struggles coincide. From the March on Washington to the Lincoln Memorial, we come together, united, hearts and spirits ethereal. A testament to those who fought and paved the way for equal rights and justice, still battling today. Oh, yeah, yeah. Emancipation Day, we're breaking free. Oh, honoring the past, embracing our destiny. Oh, through the struggles and the strife, we rise above it all. Oh, together we stand, answering freedom's call. Powerful stride, we navigate the streets where history unfolds. The stories of resilience and bravery are told, from the whispers of the past to the echoes of today. We carry the torch of freedom in every single way. From the Capitol steps to the streets that pave the land, we walk hand in hand, united making our stand. In the face of adversity, we find our strength, embracing our differences, going to great lengths. We build bridges, not walls, in the name of progress, turning obstacles into opportunities, nothing less. With every beat of the drum, we march forward in time, embracing the rhythm of change. Our spirits climb. Oh, oh, oh. Man's above it all. Together we stand, answering freedom's call. Oh, embracing our differences, going great lengths. Oh, through the struggles and the strife, we rise above it all. Oh, together we stand, answering freedom's call. From the halls of power to the streets below, we raise our voices, letting freedom flow. Every corner of this nation we proclaim that on this Emancipation Day we'll never be the same. So let the fireworks light up the sky as we celebrate the freedoms for which we defy. Let the music fill the air, the beats never die as we honor the past and reach for the sky. From the shadows of oppression to the light of liberty, we stand as one, proud and free on this Emancipation Day. Let the message ring clear, together in unity we have nothing to fear. Oh, oh, oh. Man's above it all. Oh, together we stand, answering freedom's call.